Hey guys, Andrew Murray here, just chilling out on a Monday night, and I was thinking about just, going forward and doing it. Um, so what I mean by that is sometimes you just got to plow through, even if you're not having a great day, even if things don't quite line up. Sometimes you just need to get them done and get on to the next thing. So I kind of look at it in terms of batch tasking. So what I typically like to do is to do certain types of tasks together. So if I need to make a bunch of phone calls, I want to line those up so they're together and I can just kind of plow through them. That also applies over like multi days, right? So for example, if I have a bunch of small things that are not all that important for my business and moving forward, but they're going to be a distraction and they're going to be in the back of my mind. Sometimes it's nice just to have a day where you just knock all that stuff off and try to knock off as much little stuff as you can. Once you do that, you create the space, because what you really need, I think, for to be an internet entrepreneur, to be an online entrepreneur, is a space to be creative. And when you have that space and you have that time to kind of think and to just let that creativity come, I think that's really, really important. So I kind of look at it how like I box that kind of crappy stuff that you just got to plow through, box that all up, get it all done at once, so you have more room for the kind of creative freedom stuff. So anyhow, that's just what I was thinking about. I hope you take some value out of that, and be sure to if you're on this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, thanks guys.